OpenAI just bought Python's most loved developer tools. Every Python coder and AI agent now leans on toolchains one company controls. Astral builds UV, ruff, and TY, the speed layer under modern Python. UV replaces pip, virtualenv, and poetry with one fast command. It now handles installs over 126 million times every month. Ruff lints and formats code roughly 1,000 times faster than older tools. TY is their new type checker, built for the same speed. Most Python projects already depend on these tools daily. Founder Charlie Marsh and his whole team are joining OpenAI's Codex group. Codex already has over 2 million weekly developers. Its usage has jumped fivefold since the start of 2026. OpenAI wants the entire workflow: plan, edit, run, verify, maintain. AI coding agents need tooling that is fast and reliable. Controlling that toolchain means quietly shaping how everyone codes. If you're enjoying this, follow and like. It helps the algorithm. Both sides promise UV, ruff, and TY stay open source. The licenses are permissive, so the code cannot simply vanish. But developers fear the tools could stall under commercial pressure. That dependency is exactly what makes this deal so powerful. One forum thread hit 757 comments in hours. The mood there was overwhelmingly anxious, not excited. The worry is simple: open today, neglected tomorrow. A community-built standard now sits inside a commercial lab. Financial terms were never disclosed, and regulators still must sign off. Rivals like Anthropic and Google are chasing the same developers. Whoever owns the plumbing helps decide the next decade of software. The stakes here are bigger than just Python. This is how AI companies win developers. Not with models, but with plumbing. Watch closely whether open source survives contact with a corporate roadmap. Follow for more AI updates. That's your black box art for today.